Hello, I'm Merrick. I'm a senior platform engineer, and welcome to today's video. AWS has over 200 services. You need about 5. I'm going to explain what each one actually does in plain English, and then hand the whole thing to Claude to build on a local AWS that costs nothing. Let's start with the one everything else depends on. First up is IAM. Think of it as the bouncer at the door. It decides who is allowed to do what. Before any service can talk to another service, IAM has to say yes. Get it wrong and either nothing works or everything works for everyone, which is worse. Once you can control access, you need somewhere private to put your stuff. That private space is the VPC, your own network inside AWS. Everything you launch lives inside it, sealed off from the internet until you decide to open a door. It's the plot of land before you build anything on it. So let's put something on it, starting with the simplest piece, storage. S3 is a hard drive on the internet. You create a bucket, drop files in, and they stay there, durable and reachable from anywhere. Websites, backups, data, it all goes in a bucket. But storage on its own doesn't run code. For that, you need a computer. EC2 is exactly that, a computer you rent by the hour. Pick a size, it boots in seconds, and you log in and run whatever you want. This is where your app actually lives. And almost every app needs one more thing, a place to keep its data that won't fall over. That's RDS, a managed database. You get a Postgres or MySQL endpoint, and AWS quietly handles the backups, the patching, and the failover for you. No 3 a.m. maintenance. So that's the 5, IAM, VPC, S3, EC2, and RDS. Now for the fun part. Here's what makes 2026 different. I don't have to click through any of this or memorize a single command. I point the AWS CLI at a local AWS running on my laptop, give Claude one prompt, and it writes and runs the commands to stand up S3, EC2, and RDS. Real output, $0, no account. That's AWS, 5 services, and an AI that can wire them together for you.